What's up guys, welcome to the video. So today we're taking a little road trip out to Mount Dora, Florida. Now we're going to a sushi restaurant called Wave Sushi. They want to do a challenge, so I don't even know what I'm walking into right now. I don't know if it's going to be like a massive sushi burrito or a massive sushi roll or just like massive amounts of sushi rolls. Nate and I are heading up there. Well, Nate's driving from Fort Lauderdale. I am driving to Sarasota. I mean driving from Sarasota. I believe Hellthy Junkfood is going to be involved as well. They are the ones that are creating the challenge for the restaurant. We really don't know what we're walking into, but I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't done a challenge in a long time, so this should be pretty cool. But first I gotta stop at the post office to drop off another t-shirt. So yeah, a big thank you to all you guys that have been purchasing. I guess I have merch now. That's what people have been calling it. Oh, you have merch? So yeah, I do have like my Gut Donuts t-shirts. So those are doing pretty well. So again, thank you guys. So we're gonna drop this off, hit the road, and should be there by 12 p.m. All right, let's roll.
What's up, man?
What up, bro? Bro, I gotta get one of these things.
Oh, sheesh, scared the crap out of me.
So yeah, everybody, this is Mr. Nathan Figueroa. You guys have seen him in my cheat day videos.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys. You don't even have any abs, dude.
Good, how are you?
Welcome
How's it
to
going?
Wave.
Thank you.
On our day off.
Jonathan?
Nice to meet you, brother.
Okay, nice to meet you as
What's up,
well.
man? How you doing?
Nice to meet you in person, man.
Likewise.
We're excited to have you guys.
This is my friend Nick.
Yeah, Julia.
Nick, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nick,
Kelly.
nice to meet you.
I do the social media for the Wave page.
Awesome.
How are you?
Yeah. Good. How are you doing?
Good. In the window, I was like, I don't know why. I'm like, he has the
Nice to meet
glasses. He has the background.
What are we gonna make next? How are we gonna eat all of this? There's so many questions.
Do you want me to do anything obnoxious? You can almost use that. You know what I mean?
Like, what's up,
it's
guys?
almost the same
Welcome
thing.
to the video. What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. So today we are here in Mount Dora at Wave Bistro and Sushi with my boy, Mr. Nathan Figueroa, and we have
Food ninjas, food.
a crazy challenge that I've never seen before, a sushi donut. Super excited about it. How you feeling? You hungry?
I'm so hungry right now. Okay, sushi.
Yeah, this is behind the scenes. You gotta go to the channel
Julia?
to see the whole thing. But they're about to eat this. They're getting it served. It's no joke. No clickbait here.
Okay, like when I said ridiculous, this is how ridiculous I was talking about. Now, if you guys were to see this in person, just to see how dumb this looks, like how dumb big this looks.
Okay, guys, so here is the sushi donut creation. This thing is absolutely massive. Like,
It's
seriously.
massive. It's like two of your heads.
Yeah, it's insane. So if you guys want to see how this thing was created, how it was made, be sure to check out Hellthy Junkfood's YouTube channel. It is right in the description box below. And watch them create this masterpiece. And now watch us destroy this masterpiece.
Hell yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Good luck, guys.
All right, so before we actually start, I just huge thank you to Wave Sushi Asian Bistro, not Asian.
Wave, Asian Bistro, and Sushi.
What did I say?
Sushi Wave.
Sushi Wave.
Oh, I gotta restart.
Wave Asian.
Okay, all right.
Wave Asian.
Ooh, that was crazy. Okay. All right, so we're ready to devour the sushi. First, I just want to give a huge thank you to Wave Sushi Asian Bistro.
Wave Asian.
What am I saying? Wave?
Wave Asian. You're saying Wave
Dude,
Sushi.
my dyslexia is screwing me up, man. I'm being serious. You say it for me, okay? Okay, so we're ready to devour this giant sushi donuts. But before that, I want to give a huge thank you to
Wave Asian Bistro and Sushi.
Is That's the correct way?
Yeah.
Why was I saying it incorrect? He sounded like it was incorrect too.
Just say it yourself.
I said
No, I'm not saying. I'm not
Yeah, it
saying.
does.
wave Asian.
Yeah, just say
Wave Asian,
Bistro, sushi.
bistro, and sushi. That was hard. So in 3, 2, 1, start. Timer has started.
You want to leave it there so they can actually
Oh
see
yeah,
it?
let's see.
Real
Are they
time.
gonna be able to see it? Oh, cool. They are
Might as
gonna
well
see it.
stop and restart. You haven't even started yet.
No, we're starting. It's already started.
Let us know.
You're gonna do it night before?
I guess we're gonna do. I don't. How do you even eat this?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? Just.
10.
Okay. There's no other way you can eat this. How are you going at it? You haven't actually gotten it yet? I'm gonna go with the fish first, because that's gonna be the harder part. And this is gonna be the easier part for me. There's no strategy to this. You just have to just kind of eat it. Actually, no, we can do this.
Yeah.
Cool, we got it.
Do slices.
Like it's a, I gotta cut a little bit more. All right, boom, move like that. Okay, oh, look at that, check that out. It's like a giant, it is, it's a giant piece. What do you call them, piece? Yeah, it's a giant sushi piece. That is delectable.
So inside there's carrots, spicy crab, cucumber, spicy tuna, and daikon radishes, all within a heavy-duty layer of rice, topped off with salmon, escalar, tuna, eggs.
The middle is really good. It's hard to eat.
Because the rice is so packed in. It's so dense. You get different flavors.
Meow.
I'm sorry, are you saying meow?
I don't know, man.
You stop laughing right now.
For the record, if they were to sell something of this size, all this food together, it'd be like $200 worth of food, which is insane. And there was almost a point where they were gonna make 2 of these, one for him and one for me. I'm actually glad they didn't, because it wasn't gonna happen. If I was to eat one of these, it wasn't gonna happen. So I'm glad it worked out this way, but that would have also been $400 worth of food, which I would feel bad about too, just for the record. Go halfway.
The rice is so dense.
It's dense rice, so
It's going down
it's like
extremely slow.
like really slow that way. I have to consume lots of liquid. If you have to, I would say stand up and start like
Wow.
doing something crazy like that, because now that you're talking about it, it's making me make it go down a little slower. We're doing it slowly but surely. I think the rice is just like the toughest part, because everything else has been pretty easy. When you break it like that, it looks more intimidating.
Yeah.
I would be lying to you if I said I wasn't full. I definitely feel my stomach protruding right now. No words? No words.
I'm full, but we will keep going.
Go Super Saiyan. Do a little jumpy real quick. Try to move this rice down.
And
You gotta move the rice down. It works.
need a burp.
I'm pregnant right now. I don't know if that helped though. I see competitive eaters do that. Like contest eaters. And they jump up and down. You have a gnarly headache?
Yeah, I've had it before this. Because I didn't eat for so long. It's just like throbbing. It's like,
Alright, so I'm just gonna pretend this is like one last sushi roll. And then it's a wrap. struggling right now. I feel like I need to have the hiccups,
I had the hiccups.
but it won't come out. This air, like every time I take up another bite, it sits right here. And then I feel like I want to have like the hiccups, and it won't come out. Thanks, man.
Savage.
47 right now. I want to say like 46 minutes it took me to eat this. Now, I will say the roughest part was the rice. I had some gnarly burps that just were not coming out and it just would not come up. So that was probably the toughest part, but for the most part, everything was good. Yeah. And Nick.
Yeah, throwing the towel.
Throwing in the towel?
Yeah.
Hey man, it was a good effort, dude.
Yeah.
It wasn't an easy feat to do, by all means. It's 8 pounds of sushi.
Yeah.
Literally, it's 8 pounds of sushi. This thing was like a 16-pound sushi donut. Solid effort. Anyway,
Yeah, bro. Can't win them all.
yeah, I'm gonna well.
That was a lot of food.
Did I stop this?
Okay guys, so I did not complete the challenge. I made it to pretty much about this point. The rice was just super dense, and I tried to chop it up to spread it around, but it just like made it worse for me. So yeah, you can't win them all. But Mr. Nate Figs did smash his. Big congrats to him. And a big thank you to Healthy Junkfood Wave for letting us come down here and try this amazing sushi donut. So yeah. How you feel, bro?
I felt full.
Yeah, I'm super full.
No more food for me for the rest of the week.
For real.
Impressive stuff. Good job. Solid effort.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude.
Guys, subscribe, like, comment, follow Instagram, social media, everywhere. Because the food is still gonna get eaten. It's just, we're gonna have to wait a few days before we can
Yeah.
do another challenge.